If you need to move, like move now, I have done this tutorial how to achieve a beautiful 15 minutes glam that make you get out of the house as soon as possible. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this look. It is different from the normal regular look we do on this channel. This one is just a look that just makes you look presentable, makes your face look good, while achieving a very nice beat all within 15 minutes. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if this is something you like to watch, kindly keep on watching. We are going to be doing a 10 minutes makeup, and that is why I have my wristwatch here, so that I can check my time and time myself. I know we've been used to doing full glam on this channel, but today we are not doing full glam. We are doing a glam that just makes you go leave the room. Oily girls, you can't do without your mattifying primer, because you don't want to look like a greasy mess. So it is better to do what? Use your primer. I'll be using this one that you've seen severally on this channel. I'll be using this on my T-zone. Very important, guys. If you are going to skip anything, don't skip your primer. I'm going to massage it in properly. People that have to go out without doing all this skin prep because their skin is good, they don't know what God has done for them. They really don't know. Since this is a 10 minutes tutorial, once I'm done using my primer, I'll be going into my concealer. You guys already know this concealer on this channel. I've been loving it, and I'll be using this on my T-zone. This makeup, I'll majorly be using brushes, and the reasons why I mostly use beauty blender and not brush on this channel is because Nigeria is hot. We're in a tropical country, so for a country that it is this hot, you want to make sure that your products are applied generously on your face. You cannot do all these single vibes and all that. Even though all those clean velvet vibes, they still take a lot of products, but we like to deceive ourselves. So I'll be using this on my T-zone. I'll just be blending this under my eyes. Use the brush to lift it up. So you just blend this all over. Then you take it to your forehead. I want to use to cover your dark circles. We've gotten our concealer, and the placement is key. You want to use the concealer that it is like 2 shades lighter than you. You don't want something too light. You want something that still looks like you. Right now, I'll be going straight up into my foundation. For my foundation, I'll be going into this MAC Studio Fixing NW58. It is dark. It's a dark foundation, but I like the finishing. It's better than looking lighter. Yeah, so that is why I use it. You don't need too much of this foundation. You just need a little of this. Then you're taking it all over your face, places where you did not apply the concealer. So you want to buff the edges of where you applied your concealer. Straight to your forehead. You see, you don't need too much, just a little bit. Get what you need. Yeah, so you just want to apply it all over places you did not conceal. And here's the finished results. You don't need too much. Once I'm done with this, I want to go into my concealer again. This is to just make sure it is blended properly. Once I am done, I'll be going into my powder to set my face. The darkest shade here. You're not setting your under eyes yet, just the sides. Just to give my face a definition, I'll be going into this bronzer, Prodigy. And right now I'll be going into my blush, because of course you need to add some colors to your cheeks. If you notice, I'm actually yet to set my under eyes. It's a process. Let's continue. So right now I'll be setting my under eyes, and I'll be going into this setting powder in ginger. I know I've taught you guys the difference between setting and baking on this channel, but just to re-emphasize, this puff to take my setting powder, and I'll be applying it at the back of my hand because you don't want too much on it. Go to blend my under eyes again because of creases. Then I will set. Yes, that is it. You don't need too much at all. I'll repeat the same step here. So it's quite easy, guys. With this, you are done setting your face, then on your forehead. Then beneath. So right now I'll just be brushing up my brows. I'll be feeling it. I'm not doing too much. You should know how to draw your brows without highlighting. I actually saw a video of a girl using a Davis pencil in color 3 to contour her nose, and it was really lovely. I think I'm going to try it one day on this channel, but for today I'll go into my Prodigy. So I'm using my dark powder to just darken my lid. For my eyes, I'll be going into this gel eyeliner. into this just to wing it out. And of course, mascara. Now for my lips, nothing too much, just a nice, my normal alpha lip combo. So I'll be going into this. And I'll be going into this Avo, my favorite. Lining it. I'm done. Now that I'm done, I'll just be adding extra powder to my under eyes and we're good. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial and this is how I look. I hope you like the finished look because I love it too. It is simple, easy, busy, no stress, nothing, and you're good to go. So you can wear this to work, you can wear this to church, you can wear this to your meeting, just looking good and nice, yes, without having to go through the rigors of doing a full makeup bit. Yeah, this makeup is just for you. So I really hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.